Hey my friend, welcome back to another reaction video. Today I want to react to EJAE? EJAE? Is it EJAE? Oh my god. I want to react to what it sounds like, the demo version that was released some time ago. It's one of my favorite songs besides the obvious one, Golden. And I really like the demo one. I saw a few clips on TikTok about some specific lyrics, and I also did a cover of the song. Hopefully you will see it somewhere in the screen. Now, let me find the lyrics, what it sounds like. Oh yeah, demo lyrics. EJAE? Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. So EJAE is what it sounds like. So here we are. We're going to the, where is it? This is the intro. Here she is. And we're here on the verse number 1. Smiling on the surface, wishing I was perfect, just like you, fighting to be flawless, anything but honest, thinking you'd hate me if you knew. I let the fear in, I tried to mask it, scared of the mirror, I should have smashed it, and shown you the madness, the dreams and the damage, and damn it, I hate this disguise. Now, the first time I heard this demo, I was in love with it. It really has a much deeper, let's say, meaning to it. The original one, of course, is amazing, but this one, I think it describes much better what somebody feels like when they hide who they truly are. Just like we have in K-pop Demon Hunters. So this verse basically is what Rumi is feeling throughout the whole movie until she finally has the breakthrough and the realization that she should accept herself, that she's part demon, and that she should trust her friends as well to stay and stand by her side throughout this whole thing, which, as we will see, they did. Spoilers. If you didn't see the movie, go watch it. So, smiling on the surface, wishing I was perfect, just like you. Now, I'm not sure if she's talking to Mira and Zoe like they are perfect, or if she's talking to Jinu. But Jinu is not perfect, so scratch that. She's talking most probably to Mira and Zoe that they were true and they were honest with her. Next is fighting to be flawless, so she had to put up a facade and act like everything was perfect and great, and she was happy not only for her fans but also in front of her friends, her family as well. Anything but honest. And this is where it hits the most. Thinking you'd hate me if you knew. So I feel like many people, including me, including all of us, I believe, we think that when we are gonna show our true selves to our friends or people that we love and care about, that they are gonna turn their back on us. So because she grew up with knowing that demons are bad and they should be destroyed, and who was her mentor? Anyway, she grew up knowing that demons are bad And now she realizes that she's part demon, and she tries to find a way to erase her marks, and she feels like she cannot trust her friends, which is the people that she should trust the most. And so she feels that she's going to be hated for that. And this is very strong because it resembles real life as well. Perhaps we have a scar, or let's say something on us that we don't like, or perhaps we do an activity that is not so common and is very unique, and we feel like we're going to be judged, or any other thing that we feel makes us different from other people. And we feel like if the other person knew the truth, that they were gonna hate us. So that's why that line is very deep, in my opinion. I let the fear in. I tried to mask it, of course, put a facade, act like everything is fine. Scared of the mirror. This is where she's scared of herself, looking herself in the mirror. I should have smashed it and shown you the madness, the dreams, and the damage. This is when she realizes that she should have been honest and shown her true self from the start to her friends, because the song is towards her friends, Mira and Zoe. So yes, this song, it's about them. Therefore, she's opening up and saying, I should have been honest with you from the start. And in a way, it's a perfect way of apologizing. And the last one, especially the way EJAE was singing it. And damn it, I hate this disguise. I think Rumi gets to a point where she even hates herself. And this, again, I want to bring it to real life as well. At some point, people will get so tired of keeping up with this facade, this persona that they represented themselves as. And just like in the movie, also in real life, in a way you start to hate this disguise, hate this fake version of yourself. I just wanted to put my thoughts into a video and share it with the rest of you K-pop Demon Hunter fans, and tell me your opinion if you heard about this demo, if you liked it. Hopefully, I really, really wish we get the full version and how she wanted it to be released, because the movie helped a lot of people and maybe even healed them and made them happy in general in different ways. And I think many of the songs, not only Golden, but many of the other songs, especially also What It Sounds Like, I think we can continue talking about this for a long time, but I wanted to make this video as short as possible. Tell me your thoughts about this version of the song as well. If you heard it, check out the cover that I made, and hopefully I get to see you in another video of mine. Take care. See ya.